Hare Krishna everyone, Mila here. In today's video I will show you how to offer bhog to Thakurji step by step. There are mainly 4 ways. If we are second initiated or Brahman initiated, if we are first initiated, if we don't have Thakurji but we have picture on the altar of our Ishtadev, and the 4th way, of course, if we are on very advanced level of our spiritual Krishna consciousness. So stay till the end of the video and find out. Hare Krishna. First thing that is very important is that we are freshly showered and we have clean clothes on, especially if we are serving Thakurjis. So let's go to the kitchen. Here I have prepared dates with butter and walnuts. Here the milk is already cooled down and I'm going to pour that in Krishna's cup. Another important thing is to know that we always have to have special plate that is only for Krishna, which is of course common sense. I don't have to say it, but still I want to mention, from this plate only Krishna eats. It is silver plate, silver cups that I bought in Vrindavan Dham. You don't have to have silver if you can't afford that. Just some clean stainless steel plate will do. Next, place some tulasi leaves on the bhog offering. The best is if we have fresh tulasi leaves. I don't have, I use dry leaves. I usually buy always tulasi garland when I visit Vrindavan Dham. I dry them and then I use those leaves. Then remove the flute from Krishna. Then from an Achman cup, wash Shree Krishna's lotus feet 2 times by chanting Etat Padiyam plus Mula mantra. Then his lotus mouth 3 times by chanting Idam Achmaniyam 3 times, and then wash Srimati Radharani's lotus feet by chanting Etat Padiyam, her Mula mantra 2 times, and her lotus mouth 3 times by chanting Idam Achmaniyam plus her Mula mantra. Then sprinkle some water over the bhog and chant Idam Naivedyam and Mula mantra, and if you offer grains, chant Idam Anavyanjana Paniyadekam Sarvam. Then show Bijakshara mudra and chant the Mula mantra of Thakurji 8 times. And then show Avahana mudra and Stapana mudra and chant Avahayami Stapayami. Now while my Radha Krishna are accepting the bhog offering, I just want to mention again that if we are not Brahman initiated, we can skip that part of showing the Bijakshara mudra and chanting the Mula mantras. But after washing their lotus feet and lotus mouth of Radha Krishna, or if we have Gornitai, then of Shishi Gornitai, or any other Murti we have at home, then we show the Avahana Stapana mudra, and then we chant the 3 mantras. Namo visnu-pādāya kṛṣṇa-preṣṭhāya bhū-tale śrīmate Bhaktivedanta Swami nāmine Namaste sārasvate deve gaura-vāṇī-pracāriṇe nirviśeṣa-śūnyavādi-pāścātya-deśa-tāriṇe Namo mahavadanyaya kṛṣṇa-prima-pradayate Krishna Krishna Chaitanya namne gaura-tvishe namaha Namo brahmanya devaya go-brahmana-hitacha jagaditaya Krishna Govindaya namo namaha. The first mantra is paying obeisances to Srila Prabhupada, our Gurudev. The second mantra is mantra where we offer obeisances to Lord Caitanya, who is an incarnation of Shree Krishna in this Kali Yuga. And the third mantra is directly offering obeisances to Shree Krishna. Why do we do this? Because we are servant of the servant of the servant. Between us and Shree Krishna, there is Guru Parampara, there is Guru. We do not jump directly serving Krishna. That's the process. And then we either, if we have, like, if it's night time or noon time, we can chant the Gayatri mantra while Sri Krishna is accepting the bhog offering. And if not, we can read or chant some rounds like that. But approximately the offering should take something like 10-15 minutes about. And then let's finish the offering now. How? First by clapping 3 times like that, and then ringing the bell. After Krishna's meal, go back to the altar and chant again Etat Padiyam plus Mula mantra 2 times and Idam Achmaniyam plus Mula mantra for each deity 3 times. If you are not Brahman initiated, then skip the Mula mantras. Now we are offering this Mahaprasad to Srila Gurudev also by washing his lotus feet and lotus mouth. Lotus feet 2 times, mouth, lotus mouth 3 times, plus the Mula mantra. After about 5 minutes, finish the offering by Srila Gurudeva by again clapping 3 times and washing his lotus mouth 3 times by chanting the mantra Idam Achmaniyam and Gurave Namaha. Idam Asanam and Gurave Namaha. Idam Asanam, I am Gurave Namaha, indicating that the offering is finished, that he can get up from his seat. Then take the plate, bring it to the kitchen, and with 1 towel that is specially for the altar, wipe the surface of the altar. Now, if you don't have Thakurji, if you have just a picture on the altar of your Ishtadev, you can just offer your bhog by chanting these 3 mantras that I mentioned, and I will put them down in the description box, so if you're interested you can learn them. And then the 4th way, of course, is the most spontaneous way, the way the little 5-year-old boy offered bhog to his Ladu Gopal. We all know that story when his father went for some business trip and he asked his little 5-year-old son to offer bhog, and then he was coming there and he was like, Ladu eat, Ladu Gopal eat, Ladu Gopal eat, and he would just be there not doing anything. And then he started on one point crying. He said, you know, you have to eat, otherwise my mom and my dad will chastise me if you don't eat. And then Ladu Gopal said, really, you want me to eat? Because, you know, a little 5-year-old boy doesn't understand that God can eat with his eyes, can hear with his hands, and you know, like he can do anything with his 5 senses. But he didn't understand. He wanted to see Gopal directly really eating with his mouth. So he offered there and Ladu Gopal started eating. And then when he brought the plate back to the kitchen, his mom was like, where is the bhog? Said Ladu Gopal ate, and then she didn't believe. And then when the father came home after his business trip, he also didn't believe that Ladu Gopal really ate like that. So he told his son, okay, go offer and let's see what happens. And then he was hiding behind the curtain and he saw Ladu Gopal, how he was pleading, Ladu Gopal eat, Ladu Gopal eat. And then the moment Krishna took the Ladu, was about to bite, when the father saw this, his gasp. And then Ladu Gopal heard that gasp from behind the curtain and he froze in mid-air. So this is why Ladu Gopal is called Ladu Gopal, and why he is in that position, like half-beaten Ladu. So if we are on that platform of spontaneous love, of course, we can give the bhog to Krishna and say, Krishna eat, that's also acceptable. So Hare Krishna, dear friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. If you have any questions, please let me know down below in the comments. And also, I'm very curious to know if you offer what you eat, and if you do offer, please let me know also the way how you offer bhog to Sri Krishna. See you soon again in the next video. Hare Krishna.